Picture this, a tiny bacterium unlocking the secrets to crafting the perfect Korean Oyster Sik-hae, that tangy fermented seafood staple, through chili fermentation techniques. It's a game changer for food lovers and industry innovators alike, but here's where it gets controversial. Could this humble microbe redefine traditional recipes forever? Dive into the world of microbiology meets culinary tradition, where scientists have pinpointed Leuconostoc Citreum sh02 as an ideal starter culture for the cold fermentation process in oyster Sikhae. For those new to the scene, a starter culture is essentially a select group of microorganisms, like a team of helpful bacteria, that jumpstarts fermentation in a controlled way, ensuring consistent flavors and textures rather than leaving it to chance. In this case, the focus is on cold fermentation, which happens at lower temperatures, slowing down the process to build richer, more complex tastes without the risks associated with warmer methods. This groundbreaking research delves deep into the bacterium's special traits, such as its remarkable ability to thrive in cooler environments. Imagine it adapting seamlessly to fridge-like conditions, where it interacts with fresh oysters to elevate the final product. The results: notable boosts in both texture, think a firmer, more appealing bite and taste, with enhanced flavors that make each mouthful of Sikhae a delightful experience. It's not just about making a dish tastier. This could streamline industrial production, allowing manufacturers to scale up operations efficiently while sticking to high-quality standards. And this is the part most people miss. By blending ancient Korean fermentation practices with cutting-edge bacterial science, we're seeing innovations that might spill over into other fermented foods, from kimchi to beyond, potentially transforming the entire seafood sector. Of course, not everyone will agree on the implications. Is this a brilliant leap forward, or does it risk diluting the authentic artisanal charm of homemade Sikhae? Some might argue that introducing lab-selected bacteria could standardize flavors to the point of blandness, stripping away the regional variations that make traditional dishes so special. On the flip side, others might see it as a necessary evolution to meet growing demand in a global market. What do you think? Should we embrace this microbial makeover for age-old recipes, or preserve them in their raw, unpredictable glory? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and let's debate. Newsflash powered by Gene Online AI. Source: Go AI NE1. For any suggestions and feedback, feel free to reach out to us. Date: November 24, 2025. Copyright www.geneonline.com, all rights reserved. Partner with us, email protected, https://www.geneonline.com/cdn-cgi/l/email-protection #sign 2152445348424461444F444E4F4D484F4D484F404E4F40400F42 4E4C.